Hi, this is TonTrader, the most important crypto news of the week in just a couple of minutes. After the correction, the market is gradually recovering. Investors are watching capital flows into ETFs. Regulators continue to reshape the rules of the game, and major companies are betting on stablecoins and the infrastructure around Bitcoin. Let's break down the 6 main stories of the week. 1. Bitcoin held at $60,000, and ETFs stopped the series of outflows. Bitcoin returned above the key level, and at the same time, spot Bitcoin ETFs showed signs of stabilization for the first time in a long while after multi-billion-dollar outflows. The market received its first signal. The panic has begun to fade. 2. Circle has become one of the most valuable crypto companies after its IPO. The company's shares continue to rise after launching on the New York Stock Exchange. In just a few trading sessions, its market cap grew several times over, significantly exceeding market expectations. In essence, investors are betting on the continued growth of stablecoins and the digital dollar. 3. Binance risks losing the right to operate in the European Union. The exchange may fail to obtain the necessary permits under the new European MiCA regulations. This is the first major test of these new European rules for the entire industry. 4. The US and Iran signed a memorandum on de-escalation. The agreement provides for the opening of the Strait of Hormuz and the launch of negotiations for a broader peace settlement. The news triggered an increase in risk appetite in global markets and capital inflows into stocks. 5. MicroStrategy has again increased its Bitcoin holdings. Michael Saylor's company announced a new purchase, continuing its accumulation strategy despite the recent correction. The largest corporate Bitcoin holder shows again that it views dips as buying opportunities. 6. The World Cup has not yet heated up football tokens. The week was bright. Argentina, England, France, and Germany started confidently. However, neither fan tokens nor championship-related meme coins have shown a noticeable reaction. Despite the attention of millions of fans, this topic remains on the sidelines for traders. Why does this matter? Institutional capital remains the main driver of the market. Stablecoins are turning into one of the fastest-growing segments of the industry, and regulators around the world continue to define the rules for crypto companies. What to watch next? Capital flows into Bitcoin ETFs, the decision on Binance's licenses in Europe, Circle's next steps after the IPO, and the US-Iran negotiations and their impact on global markets. Weekly summary. The main theme remains the return of institutional capital. Bitcoin held its key level, ETFs stopped losing money, and the largest market players are betting on the long-term development of the crypto industry. That was the main news for the week. All links are in the description. Stay in touch.